Are you attaching a SANDMARC lens and facing this issue? That's because the iPhone 14 has a brand new feature called Macro Control that you'll have to enable first. What you're gonna do is go into Settings, go to Camera, then scroll all the way down till you get to Macro Control, and then tap to enable. Once you do this, open the camera app, press the flower icon on the screen, and then the iPhone will automatically focus through the lens. Now you can start creating and taking some pictures that look like this.